What if I told you that right now, somewhere in the world, a single company is quietly shaping the future of artificial intelligence? Not the companies you hear about every day. Not Google, not Microsoft, but NVIDIA, a company that most people once knew only for gaming graphics cards. But today, it's something far bigger. From powering video games to powering the most advanced AI systems on Earth, NVIDIA has pulled off one of the most insane transformations in tech history. And right now, they're not just growing fast, they're dominating an entire industry. An industry that might decide the future of humanity itself. In this video, we're going deep. We'll uncover how NVIDIA quietly became the most powerful force in AI, how the biggest tech companies in the world ended up depending on it, and why this could change everything. NVIDIA's story doesn't start with AI. It starts in 1993 with 3 engineers, a small idea, and a big vision to revolutionize computer graphics. At the time, gaming was evolving fast, and NVIDIA saw an opportunity. They began building GPUs, graphics processing units, designed to handle complex visuals, faster and smoother than ever before. Games looked better, ran faster, and NVIDIA started to rise. But here's what most people didn't notice. While everyone saw gaming hardware, NVIDIA was building something much more powerful, a new way of computing. Unlike traditional CPUs, which process tasks one at a time, GPUs could handle thousands of operations simultaneously. This concept, called parallel computing, wasn't just useful for graphics. It was perfect for something much bigger, something the world hadn't fully realized yet: artificial intelligence. As AI research started gaining momentum, scientists and engineers discovered something surprising. Training AI models required massive amounts of data and insane computing power, and CPUs just weren't enough. But NVIDIA's GPUs, they were perfect, faster, more efficient, and built for scale. Suddenly, NVIDIA wasn't just a gaming company anymore. It became the backbone of AI development. And this is where things get interesting, because NVIDIA didn't stop at hardware. They went further. They built CUDA, a software platform that allowed developers to unlock the full power of GPUs. This changed everything. Now, developers didn't just use NVIDIA chips. They depended on NVIDIA's ecosystem: hardware, software, tools, infrastructure, all connected, all controlled by one company. And slowly, quietly, NVIDIA positioned itself at the center of the AI revolution. Fast forward to today. AI is everywhere, from chatbots to recommendation systems to self-driving cars to advanced robotics. The world is running on AI, and behind most of it is NVIDIA. Tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are all racing to build the future, investing billions, building massive data centers. But here's the twist. They all rely on NVIDIA. Every time an AI model is trained, every time a massive dataset is processed, there's a high chance it's powered by NVIDIA GPUs. And this creates something incredibly rare in tech: control, not just influence, control over the infrastructure that powers the AI world. Which means, as AI demand explodes, so does NVIDIA's power. And the numbers, they're insane. Revenue skyrocketing, demand going through the roof, companies lining up just to get access to NVIDIA chips. At one point, their hardware became so valuable, it was compared to gold. And almost overnight, NVIDIA entered the trillion-dollar club, becoming one of the most valuable companies on Earth. But this story isn't just about money. It's about something much deeper: power. Because in the digital age, whoever controls computing power controls innovation, controls progress, controls the future. And right now, NVIDIA is sitting right at the center of that power. But here's where things get even more interesting, because history has a pattern. No company stays on top forever. And when one company becomes too powerful, competition rises. Big tech companies are now trying to build their own AI chips. Governments are investing heavily in semiconductor independence. Startups are entering the race, trying to disrupt the system. Everyone wants a piece of the AI future, and everyone knows that right now, NVIDIA is the one to beat. So what happens next? Will NVIDIA continue its dominance and remain the king of AI? Or is this just the beginning of the biggest tech battle we've ever seen? One thing is clear. The AI revolution is still just getting started, and the companies controlling it today will shape the world of tomorrow. Industries will change, jobs will evolve, power will shift, and at the center of it all stands one company, NVIDIA. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications bell, because the next big shift in AI